Hey there, this is your captain. Welcome to another edition of Amateurs Using Extremely Dangerous Power Tools. Today I added the word extremely because this thing is scary. We are demonstrating the Concrete Cutoff Saw. This thing's badass. It's hella scary. It can cut through concrete and metal at the same time. It slices, it dices. Almost as nice as my Cuisinart, but not quite as thin. This thing has got a diamond carbide blade, and it's the same type of blade that they use to like carve through cars and whatnot for the fire department and cut through buildings. So if you need to do something really drastic and do something like this, where the stairs in my swimming pool were all uneven and they were like 12 inches high, so my brother Fred and I cut into these stairs with a saw and a jackhammer, and I'm going to show you how we did it. So check it out. I'm a total amateur, but let's see if we can make it work. All right, let's see if we can get started. Okay, as you can see, it cuts much better when the water is on. That's why I just smoked you out. So it uses this diamond cut blade to slice through concrete with the lubrication of water. Remember, concrete is not a lubricant. So you gotta use a little bit of water. It cuts a lot better, but as you can see, show them there, you can do a nice deep cut. I think this gets about 4.5 inches. So this is another edition of Amateurs Using Dangerous Power Tools. This is the Captain. I'll see you next week.